guys, different kind of setting here, but I just received a huge package from Amrita, and if you saw my recent post, you would know that I got it. And it's perfect for beach snacks and for any snacks, late night snacks. Oh my god, they're so good. And if you've been here since the beginning, aka June, when I started like getting this account rolling, you will know that I am freaking obsessed with these products. So I'm going to share some of my favorites from the bunch. So I'm going to start with the chocolate maca. This one literally tastes like a brownie. Like, I'm not even kidding. It is so good. Alright. This one. I made some cookies with these in like October and November, and they were the perfect fall snacks. So if you like fall snacks, this one is perfect for you. This one, classic chocolate chip coconut. It is so okay. So that cut off for some reason, but this one so good, especially when you microwave it. Like the chocolate chips inside get all like gooey and stuff. And honestly, this one tastes like insane. But if you see the ingredients, they are so minimal. I don't know why it's not focusing. But like, here, I'll read off the ingredients: dates, brown rice, protein, sunflower seed butter, vegan chocolate chips, popped quinoa, chia seeds, shredded coconut, maple syrup, chicory root, Himalayan pink salt. Those are all like superfoods, and it tastes like a brownie. Like, if it doesn't get any better than that, you're talking on the wrong one. Yeah. So I'm really excited because I have a lot of stuff now, and yay, love Amrita. Please go check them out. I will link the post that I just posted in the next slide. But they have such an amazing story. They have such amazing